Hey guys, so I'm completely bored, and my brother does all these burping videos, so I'm gonna try it. I'm not that good at the burper though. Let me get my water. But you guys, so yeah, I'm gonna start this and see if it works out. If I burp good, then good. If I don't, then I'll probably do something else I'm telling you about. Give me one sec. Oh, I was singing the song called Lack of a Soul from school, and it stuck in my head. And I didn't even want to sing it at school, so it sucks. Because it feels like eek. As you can hear, my birds are out, or you guys can probably see my birds. This is like my fourth video I'm making today and uploading it. So, can I go down here? Okay. It sounds like okay. That's all I got. Bye guys.